Hey everyone, it's Met for Collectibles, back doing another box break. We got 2021 Topps Fire. This is the Target release. They call it the hobby box, but really it's retail. It does come with 2 guaranteed autos. Heard mixed reviews about the product. You know, a lot of people saying it's not as good. You know, it's a lower end product, but got a couple of these, so I'm gonna rip a hobby / retail and see what we got. As always, if you like the video, give it a like. Give us a subscribe here on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, MySlabs, eBay, all under Met for Collectibles. And let's pull all these out of here. All right. Let's get into this. You got 6 cards per pack. As always, looking for the good rookies. Got Hayes, got Chisholm, got Cronenworth, Mountcastle, and all the top guys right now. Got Yu Darvish, Ozzie Albies, Austin Meadows. We got a Sixto Sanchez. It's a parallel of some sort. Nice card. Got Kristen Pache, rookie card. And Trevor Bauer. Some pretty unique cards. Definitely look like they're targeted towards kids with all the fancy designs. I don't know what that parallel I pulled is. I'm not sure. Look at that. All right. Rafael Devers, Bo Bichette. Got a Flamethrowers Max Scherzer insert. Alec Baum rookie. Merrifield and Luis Garcia rookie. There's a couple of cards in that pack. Pull out the Bo Bichette second-year card as well. Luis Robert, Max Scherzer, Shane Bieber. I've got a Rendon, Anthony Rendon numbered card, 273 out of 299. Cool card. Got Monty Harrison and Keeper Ruiz, rookie. There's quite a few rookies in here. We'll see up the numbered card, put it up there. I don't think the other insert I got was numbered. We'll check it out here real quick just to see. Oh. We'll check the Sixto. I don't know which parallel the Sixto is, but not numbered. Still a cool looking card though. All right. So far, pretty good. Bunch of good rookies and a numbered card. Larnack, Trevor Larnack, Correa. Got Smoke and Mirrors, Jake DeGrom. That's a cool insert. Barrios, Tavares, and Gleyber Torres. A couple more rookies there, a couple more insert, another insert. Smoke and Mirrors insert there. Not numbered. kind of cards that you pull a good auto probably look pretty good with a custom label from HGA or something like that. Got Davidson rookie, Manny Machado. We got a Juan Soto. That's a parallel there as well. Check to see that numbers. We got Marshawn and Bryce Harper. Nope, not numbered there. But it's another cool insert of a good player. Got to look through these inserts to see what's what. I didn't really look at that ahead of time. Got more rookies. A couple good veterans there. Got Bell. Alex Kirilloff, there's one of the good ones. It's a good hit. Got Flamethrowers, Rocker Bueller. It's a nice card. Kyle Schwarber, Charlie Blackmon, and Daniel Lynch. All right. Take a minute to read these, what our odds are here with these. So the orange is 1 out of 20, flame 1 out of 4. Magenta, Inferno, Onyx. Yeah, I'm not sure which ones we're pulling there. You see some of the inverts. The flamethrowers, 1 out of 13 packs, we pull one of those. Smoke and Mirrors, 1 out of 10 packs, we pulled one of those. So, hitting some of the more rare stuff out of the box. So far, we've got a lot of packs left here. Try to get through this. Joey Bart rookie on the back. Hosmer, Jared Kelenic, good rookie. Paul Goldschmidt, Jimenez, it's Eloy. We got Bundy and Joey Bart. That's actually not labeled as his rookie card. Surprising. Huh. That should be a rookie. 2021 is his rookie year. That's kind of interesting. They don't have a rookie card on Joey Bart's card there. To look up to see if there's an error. Definitely a rookie in 2021. It's odd. Unless he had I don't know if he had a 2020 Topps Fire card maybe. Ahead of his arrival to the Major League Baseball. I don't know. Tristan McKenzie rookie. Got Aguilar. There's a fired up insert. Pete Alonso. Another one of the inserts we saw on the back there was like a 1 out of 10 chance. So hitting a lot of the inserts here. Aiken. We got Snell and Christian Javier rookie. Nick Madrigal, good rookie card there. Cody Bellinger, Crochet rookie card. Oh, we got our auto. That's a Fire autograph card. Shane McClanahan. It is a rookie pitcher. Shane McClanahan. These are pretty cool looking. That guy sleeved up. Reese Hoskins and Contreras. William Contreras, rookie. It's a nice looking card. Put our auto up here. Again, getting pretty much all the big rookies. Still missing a couple. Missing Brian Hayes. Missing Mel Castle. I assume they're in this set. I didn't look at the checklist, but they're kind of the top guys. Laureano. We got our Pujols, Dodgers uniform. We have Liftoff. Pete Alonso. Another one of the inserts. Got Voit. Kyler Stevenson is another one of the big rookies. And Kepler. I got these boxes off Target's website at retail price, like 60 or 70 bucks, I think it was. Got Josh Huff, or I'm sorry, Sam Huff, one of the good rookies. Donaldson, David Garcia, rookie ignition. Let's insert there. RI13. Tony Gwynn, Anderson, Steven Strasburg. So got about half the packs left here. Yeah, looking for a couple more rookie cards. Got one more auto coming. There's one of the big rookies we're looking for, Ryan Mountcastle. Got Christian Yelich, Dylan Carlson. Oh, and I think we got our second auto here. That one is numbered. This one is a numbered auto card. Enoli Paredes, pitcher for the Astros. That's at a 99. 19 out of 99. Right behind him, we got an Acuna Jr. Just put Ronald Acuna aside. Get Paredes in a sleeve here. So we've hit our two autos. Only one of them was numbered. Yep, McClanahan was not numbered. Second one was. So we will take that. Find another stand here. We pretty much hit what we're expected to see at this point. Only thing we're missing is I think we've hit every insert. Haven't hit all the parallels. We hit a couple numbered cards up there, obviously. So not too bad. Would have liked the rookies to be different for the autos, but at least they're rookies. Kershaw, Evan White, the Mariners. Christian Yelich fired up. Gallen, Seager, and Moniak, Mickey Moniak. Giancarlo Stanton, Freddie Freeman, Nelson Arenado, Joey Gallo. It's one of the inserts. See, that one's numbered. Nope, just a parallel. I don't know which parallel it is. Be the orange. Looks like the label's orange there. Clevenger and Joey Votto. No rookies in that pack. Yeah, Derek Jeter on this one. Anthony Rizzo. Got Springer. We have liftoff, Manny Machado. Probably a future Hall of Famer. You got Vaughn, Andrew Vaughn, Justin Verlander, and Jeter. Put Jeter aside. A lot of collectors like him. Castillo, Mercedes, Yerman. I think he's the one that retired early, I think. Another 6 though. Oh, we got a Mike Trout. This looks like a purple. This might be a numbered. This might be a numbered insert. Let's see. Oh yeah, out of 99. Mike Trout out of 99. We will take that. That's a great hit. I don't know what comps are on these cards, but that is a great hit there. We'll definitely take that. Card looks well centered. This is what I was talking about with getting it graded with a custom label. This card looked cool, a custom label. It's like HGA. I should put a top loader on him if I can find him. There we go. So that's our third numbered card. This is by far our best one of the bunch. Move our Rendon over here. And he gets the small. He gets the small one now. Mike Trout at a 99. Very happy with that hit. Oh, and here's a Joey Bart with the rookie card. So that other one must be some image variations or something. I got Seager. Because we found a Bart without a rookie card logo. I know Topps has a lot of image variations. Let's. Some of these cards look different, right? The way the background's not white. And I'm wondering if some of those are image variations or something. Let's see the code. Code is 47091 on those. What is it on these? Yeah, 47091. So you find another Joey Bart real quick. Yeah, right here. Interesting. So there's got to be some kind of parallel or something. Oh, one's 104, one's 111. I'm sorry, one's 11, one's 104. Must just be two different cards in the set. This is some kind of insert or something though. Okay. I don't know. So now I'm not losing my mind. Very happy to get that Trout card though. Wish that was an auto, a Trout out of 99, but pleased to hit that one. Betts. Spencer Howard. Oh, Luis Garcia rookie ignition. Nice rookie card there. Not numbered. Skubal. Terrace Skubal. Got Sterling Marte. And Jesus Sanchez. We've got 3 packs left. I got a mess of packs here. Let me clean this up real quick. All right, 3 packs left. Looking for more numbered cards. Hopefully a good numbered. Let me see a good low numbered Brian Hayes in this pack. We got, looks like we have a numbered card there, red. Hira, Swanson, Flaherty. Oh, Mira Mercedes. Looks like it's probably gonna be, no, it's not numbered, it's just a red. Noah Syndergaard and Jeffers. All right. Got a pile of base over here beside me, but a good pile of non-base as well, or rookies and inserts. Baez, you. We got smoke and mirrors of Steven Strasburg, Aaron Nola, another Mike Trout. That's the base, and Mike Yastrzemski. Yeah, it must be 2 cards. You have like a low number and a high number. These, I don't know. To look through the checklist whenever I get done with this and check this out. All right, last pack. Still looking for our Brian Hayes. Moncada, Trey Turner, Contreras, Alex Verdugo, Tyler Glasnow, and Abreu. Oh, we saved the worst pack for last. Not much in that one. So overall, pretty good. We get a lot of rookies. Stuff isn't too highly valuable, but you got 2 good autos. You know, not great, but 2 rookie autos, McClanahan and Paredes. One of them numbered out of 99. So not too bad. The Mike Trout Purple out of 99. Probably the best card we pulled. It's a nice card. Probably send it up to get graded. Check it out a little closer, but it looks pretty clean. And then the Rendon, also numbered, out of 299. So those are probably the best ones. And then go through here, we got a ton of just inserts and rookies. Rookie inserts. I mean, you hit pretty much all of them besides, really the one I'm looking for is Brian Hayes, being a Pirates fan. But again, I'm not sure that he's in the set. I'll have to look through. But we hit pretty much all the other big ones, which is good. So pretty pleased with this for a low end set. Clinic there. The Kirilloff's a good one. Soto, Tavares, Sanchez parallel. So overall, not too bad. So if you guys liked the video, give it a like. Comment below on your thoughts of the product. I was pretty pleased. Wasn't expecting much, so I think we got kind of lucky with the Trout. But we'll take it. Be sure to check out our other videos. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, My Slabs now, eBay. Reach out if you're looking at anything. Always feel free to reach out off the platforms and give me a shout. We'll work something out. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.